Alright guys, welcome back to J&J Bowling. Game number 3. I got a little bit closer, but not close enough, so
Got about a 30 pin.
we'll see what we can do.
Alright.
Alright, good luck guys.
No 7 pins. No 7. Sprinkles.
Gotta put something together, man.
Sprinkle some pins out there.
Half try.
Lots of sprinkle.
This is making sure he gets at least 2 Brooklyns per game.
Sprinkle the E. coli bacteria all over the lane.
You know, I would be on my, if I got it on my phone, which I've had one before, I had one, I'd be doing a lot better. Because I wouldn't know what the fuck to do. I got an iPad, which I love my iPad. It's just one of the, I won't say it's cheap, but it's one of the cheaper ones. The battery life is amazing on it. But now I feel like you said, it's, I only got it because it was buy one get one free back then. My daughter took me to Georgia, and I'm like, we'll just FaceTime.
Oh, he's sprinkling again.
Hey, you deserve that. Stay on your fucking hand. That's good. I'm sorry.
You so want to be a left-hander, I know. I get that all the time.
I'm just saying all these righties are jealous. That's what I think. I like bowling right-handed. That's. Oh my goodness. I'll take a. Hey, instead of buying that drink, you got it. Is that Mike down there still? Somebody else. Who? Mike.
He's gone.
Come on. I mean, it's better than anything right now. 170 is my one of the either in middle.
It's somewhere in the set.
It's somewhere. It's got to be a 170 in the center. It's not, you know. So I had a 170. Had a 16 or something. I pulled it in 9.
You gotta fix your
I got
mindset, man. It's not
Are you the phone pole on that?
It's not mine.
So the second game, I got 9. So I'm still down by 30.
What did Sprinkles shoot so far?
Sprinkles had a 190 and then a something. He's been doing a lot. He's a good left-hander. I can tell you that.
Man, you gotta go from crash to shot.
Oh,
You too. Shot from
he's all
shot.
Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah, it was,
After those last 2 strikes, that's fair.
yeah. Well, I thought it was going to. That's what I was thinking with the yesterday. It's not going to go like the other ball.
There you go. Yeah, I can strike on this one. On the other one, I can't. Something's got to give here.
And
If you done caught me.
yeah, I got to keep pushing it. And that depends on this next ball.
Little break. We need that. Oh,
Jeez, like 5, 10.
you kidding me, right?
Just like a damn two-hander.
Yeah, that's what I feel like I'm bowling against.
Oh
a
man, where's he
two-hand.
going? Alright guys. They gave you a pen. Oh well, it don't matter. It's on a strike. It's alright, it don't matter. It's not gonna matter for you're on a strike. You're not on 2 strikes, you're on a strike, so it don't matter.
Yeah, I'm still thinking about it.
Yeah, I mean, but still, like you said, it don't matter. Uh-oh, guys. I woke the beast up again. I woke the beast up.
That bird, I have to beat the bird.
Ah, come on. I haven't seen a bob shot like that all night. You don't need to be coming out. I want to see a mixer and a bob already.
good ball. Not sure about too many of the other ones he's
I
thrown.
tuned down a lot of 510. I ain't gonna lie. I shouldn't even be anywhere near.
That was a good shot.
But yeah. But with the Redemption, like you said, Redemption's been looking a little bit better than the other shots. So just because I had to go 3 balls and 3 maxes, it's still not out of the woods yet. He's got
That's gonna rub out of
keep
bag.
striking.
That's gonna rub out of bag.
Yeah. Oh!
Yeah.
Put the pressure on me. Looks like we have a fan.
It's wet trash. Not white trash, wet trash.
Oh no, that was all my idea. I never wanted. I had to walk off.
It was all me.
Oh, that might have hurt me. Checkmate. That might have hurt. Didn't want that. Oh Lord. Didn't want that one. I was like, I'm gonna have some sort of. I needed that straight. Yeah, these feel comfortable. Hey, something real wet. Nice shot. Now you go. Back over there. First, I didn't think I was going to get there, and then that 10 hit, and I'm like, oh man. I need this right here.
Yeah, you do.
I know I missed it, I knew it was going to hold it. I just didn't know it was going to string it. Like, and it had here.
Alright, I think this next strike will seal it. Win 1 out of 3, take total.
Yeah. I didn't agree. That's why I would say, not just, you never know. I've won 2 out of 3 before, and they got me. I was up by 70 minutes.
I just ran out of gas. Oh, sure.
It didn't. It only gave me 9.
I think it's enough.
Yeah, it didn't fall. Nah, I don't think.
It fell.
Did it fall?
Yeah.
I'm not.
Okay, 247 I think is enough to get the total.
Yeah, because I think it was, we were up by 40 something, I believe, 40, and then I cut it within, I got 9 off of that. So, yeah, I think it's crazy. I don't know. He'll have to do a recap thing. If I would have changed balls, I mean, I did. Let's be honest though. I did trip out 4 or 5 10s. Okay, just watch the.
Yeah, I see it.
I did trip out at least 4 or 5 10, so. Which, if they would have stayed up, it would have been a whole different story.
I totally lost my shot at the beginning of this third game, but by the time I got it back, it was too late.
You started striking, I was worried. I mean, if you would have struck out,
I think I'd have had you.
if you would have struck out, you would have had 32, 62, 92,
I'd have been 22.
So it would have been.
I was only at 25 minutes.
I think you probably won by
I had
10.
to squeak it
You
off.
had to do the recap thing.
Yeah, I only had 630.
641, that's crazy.
629.
Wow.
That's all. I did worse. I did worse.
Alright, guys. Thank you for watching J&J Bowling. We'll see you next one. Good night.